Hello children, welcome to VIN school. So today we have come up with a new chapter, the full Warren. The full Warren. Open page number 48 in your textbook. So listen to the video and follow. The full Warren. What do you mean by Warren, children? Warren means it's a home. It's a rabbit home. Okay, so what is the learning point of the lesson? Always help those who are in need. So whoever is in need, always you should help them. So let's start the lesson. Once a rabbit built a nice warren in a forest. He lived there very happily. When there was a rainstorm in the forest, all the animal homes got destroyed. But the rabbit's warren was so strong that even the great rainstorm could not ruin it. So once a rabbit, what did he do? He built a nice home, nice warren in the forest. Okay, so he lived there. He lived in the warren happily. He lived there, and suddenly there was a rainstorm in the forest. Rainstorm means a storm with also heavy rain, and all the animal homes in the forest, it got destroyed, it got spoiled. But the rabbit's home, the rabbit's warren was so strong, it was so strongly built, so even that great rainstorm also could not spoil or could not damage the warren. Winter came and it was freezing cold in the forest. Many homeless animals came to the rabbit's door asking if they could spend that winter in his warren. He invited in each visitor happily. Soon the warren was full. There was no room left. This discomfort didn't bother the rabbit because he felt he was helping others. Spring came. All the animals returned to their places. They rebuilt their homes. So what happened? Winter came. Soon the winter came. After the heavy rainstorm, the winter came and it was too cold. Isn't it, children? In winter it is very cold, isn't it? The same way in the forest, it was freezing cold. It was too cold, and many homeless, because due to the heavy rainstorm, the many animals, the home of the many animals got destroyed, isn't it? So everybody became homeless. So what happened? All the animals, they came to rabbit's house, the rabbit's warren, and they all asked the rabbit to spend that winter in his warren. So a rabbit invited all the animals. Happily it invited, and soon what happened? All the animals came to rabbit's warren and it was full, and there was no room left. All the rooms were occupied by all the animals. But this discomfort, this trouble didn't bother rabbit because he was very happy, because he thought that he was helping all the other animals. And soon what happened? Spring came. Spring in the sense summer season, it came, and all the animals, they went to their places. They were returned to their places and they started to build their home. One day, the rabbit was hopping along absent-mindedly in the forest. He didn't realize that there was a lynx waiting to attack him. A hawk that had spent the winter in the rabbit's warren saw this. He shouted and warned the rabbit just in time. He almost dragged the rabbit into his home. So what happened? One day, the rabbit was hopping. It was hopping, jumping. Okay, it was lost in his thought. It was completely lost in his hot in the forest, and he didn't realize there was a wild animal, lynx, waiting to attack the rabbit. So what do you mean by lynx, children? It is a wild animal. Okay, so this is called as a lynx, and it is a wild animal, and it is similar to cat. Okay, it looks like a similar to cat. Okay, but it's not a cat, it's a lynx, and it is a wild animal. Okay, it was waiting to attack the rabbit. Suddenly what happened? A hog means pig. Okay, a hog that had spent winter in the rabbit's warren. So the hog which was spent the winter in the rabbit's house, it saw the lynx attacking the rabbit. Suddenly the hog shouted, and it warned the rabbit just in time. It warned the rabbit, and he almost dragged the rabbit into the hog's house. The lynx got angry and destroyed that home. So lynx, it got very much angry on the hog, and it destroyed the hog's house. But the rabbit escaped and tried to hide in a bat's home. So, but the rabbit escaped, and it ran and it hid in the bat's home. For whole day, the lynx followed the rabbit from burrow to burrow, from cave to cave. So, the rabbit, after destroying the hog's house, soon it got escaped, and it ran to bat's house. And whole day this wild animal lynx was searching the rabbit from burrow to burrow and from cave to cave. Each place it went and started to search for the rabbit. But the rabbit always managed to save himself. But what happened? The rabbit, it escaped from the lynx, and it is managed to save himself. Every time he was helped by a friend who had taken shelter in his warren in winter. Every time, whenever the lynx wanted to attack the rabbit, every time he was helped. The rabbit was helped by the friend who had taken shelter in his warren, in his house in the winter. He felt extremely happy that he had so many friends. So now rabbit was full happy that he had so many friends. They helped him when his life was in danger. And also those friends, they helped rabbit when the rabbit life was in danger. With their help that day, he could escape from the lynx. So with all the friends' help, that day, so the rabbit could escape from the wild animal. So what did you learn from this chapter, children? Help others, you will be helped. So let us read the difficult words. Warren, rainstorm, ruin, destroyed, built, freezing, invite, discomfort, attack, managed. So practice reading the lesson and also practice writing difficult words in the notebook, children.